segment of The Exchange is sponsored by Michigan Wildlife Council. Now, you might not be able to see them right now that West Michigan is covered in snow, but an ongoing issue for the Michigan Department of Natural Resources is dealing with invasive species in Michigan. And the Michigan Wildlife Council is dedicated to increasing public awareness about wildlife and wildlife conservation efforts, including working against invasive species. Now today, Drew Rayner, coordinator for West Michigan SISMA, is here to tell us more about the program and how we can get involved. Good morning. Okay, so SISMA, what does that stand for? What do you guys do?
Right, so a SISMA is a Cooperative Invasive Species Management Area. Okay. So they're really pushed by the state of Michigan, backed by the Departments of Natural Resources, Environmental Quality, and Department of Ag and Rural Development. So these organizations are volunteer organizations composed of non-governmental organizations, universities, local concerned landowners, anyone who's willing to get involved with invasive species management. And our goal is just to work on invasives and cooperate across boundary lines on outreach and education and treatments and things like that for invasives.
Okay. And you said an area, so what kind of area do you guys cover?
Correct, so I have 7 counties here in West Michigan. So we have
wow.
Allegan, Kent, Ottawa, Muskegon, Newaygo, Montcalm, and Oceana counties.
So basically all of West Michigan.
Correct, yeah.
Okay. Now you guys are also pretty new.
Yeah, yep. So organization started a while back. The last 3 to 5 years has been a big growing period. We've taken a lot of really big steps forward since then. And what we do is we've been providing a lot of treatments, things like that, because in the past there weren't a lot of organizations doing that.
Well, and just raising awareness for something like this, you know, you hear the term invasive species, okay, that's a negative thing, but I mean, who knows what kind of things are included in this, and all that kind of stuff can be very confusing.
Yep.
So just raising awareness. Now, what are, you know, for this area of West Michigan, what are some specific concerns for here?
We're dealing with quite a few species here. 2 new really bad aquatic ones are yellow floating heart and European frogbit. Those are both here in the Grand Rapids area that just got here this year. Okay. Some of the other ones we're working with are Japanese knotweed, Chinese yam, pale and black swallowwort, and Phragmites.
Okay, so what about some of these makes them invasive or like negative? Because some of these things are like, oh, well, it's greenery, but negative effects.
Yep, so a lot of these plants will affect, you know, property values. They grow into our native habitats and they push out our native plants into our native wildlife, things like that, and have negative impacts on that, as well as infrastructure on roads, houses, things like that.
Really? Okay. Okay. Now, why is this, you know, you talked a little bit on, you know, some of the problems that these cause, but a lot of these invasive species, one of the big problems is that they grow so quickly. So I know that's part of the reason why this is a big concern in West Michigan. Yep,
they grow quick and they outcompete some of our natives and can be an issue. So things like Phragmites can grow and grow 15 feet tall. They block your views to the lakes.
Oh
they fill up our wetlands, things like that. And then they can also be a fire hazard. So when you got a lot of those plants that grown on the side of the road, a lot of dead plants accumulate, and they've had to shut down highways due to that.
Okay, wow. Okay, so now my backyard is covered in snow right now, but I don't want these things in my backyard.
Yep.
So what are some things that we can be doing now to fight against these things?
I think first and foremost, people can try and get informed on some of these species. So take some time, go online and look up some of these invasives here in the area. And then if you have plants of concern, or if you think you have something, get a hold of me. Get a hold of me this winter and we can get you on the list for the spring. We can look at pictures, we can kind of help with the ID of some of these plants and possibly be able to come out and take a look at the plants you have and help you out.
Wow, perfect. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Now, for more information on invasive species, the West Michigan SISMA, and the work the Michigan Wildlife Council is doing, we put a link on our website. Just go to WZZM13.com. We'll be right back.